Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Asante Kotoko were involved in another friendly game. We know they played two friendly games already. Today they played the third friendly game and it was against Techiman Liberty FC and the game ended in a 5-1 victory for Asante Kotoko. Now the goal scorers were Zeze, Mukwala, Opong, Dwamena and Patrick Asma. Yes, you heard that right. Patrick Asma is still a player of Kotoko. He never left. He has been injured. That's why he didn't travel to Sudan for the preseason. He's one of the best players we have at Kotoko because of his technical abilities in crossing the ball, free kicks, and technique. But defensively, you can say that there are one or two things that he should be doing better. But going forward, making the crosses and attacks, he's very, very good. And I'm happy that he's back. One other thing we noticed in this game is that Justice Blay also returned from injury and he featured in this game. He didn't play the full game, but he featured. I think he came in the second half and he played very well according to the people there at the Adako Jachi training grounds who witnessed the game. They said Justice Blay actually featured and played very well. I'm also happy that Zeze has continued his, scoring form. Him and Mukwala were on target today against the Techiman Liberty FC. Mukwala continues to score. I think it's about 4 goals in 3 games or 4 goals in 4 games because he has been very, very good. Zeze has scored about 3 goals with 3 assists and I think he's ready for the resumption of the Ghana Premier League. Opong was also on target and Dwamena, the Dwamena guy, I haven't seen him play very well, like full game see him play very well. I think he has shown a lot of, progress, promise and all that. I think he's going to be one of the best players this season should the league continue. I'm hoping it does, but I think the Dwamena guy is very, very good. And lastly, Patrick Asma, as I said earlier, I'm glad to see him back to the Kotoko team because he's very, very good when it comes to free kick, crosses and set pieces and all that. He's one of the best players at the club. So overall, I'm still happy that Kotoko are keeping themselves busy as the league is on hold, waiting for the decision of the court and everything, and from waiting to hear from the GFA too. So I hope we continue to prepare ourselves, we continue to keep ourselves engaged. I think Kotoko are still fit that they are ready to continue the league anytime the league resumes. I don't think they'll be breaking camp anytime soon. I think they'll still be involved in friendly games to keep themselves fit ahead of the season when it continues. So I think that is the report. Kotoko beats Techiman Liberty FC 5-1. Once again, the goal scorers are Zeze, Stephen Mukwala, Opong, Dwamena, and Patrick Asma. I hope you enjoyed that update. If you did, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye. Don't forget to follow us on our social media pages, Daily Porcupine, on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. See you next time. Bye.